Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo 3, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show up, select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and the volume up at the same time. And when you see the recovery mode, which is about now, you can let go of both of them. Now just know that sometimes when you're letting go of these buttons, specifically power button, when you're in this mode, it will accept the first option, which is reboot system now by default. And that means that the device automatically reboots and tries to go back to the normal Android. So if you see by letting go of the power button that the screen automatically disappears, start holding these two buttons right away again. And just try that again. Now, you did nothing wrong. This is just sometimes how this kind of works. And I don't know why sometimes letting go of the power button when you're in this mode reboots the device, sometimes it doesn't, but just know it might happen to you occasionally. Now in here, using volume buttons to navigate, specifically volume down, we want to select either reboot to bootloader or enter Fastboot mode. Both of them are actually just Fastboot mode. The only difference is this one will be, I believe, a dedicated Fastboot mode. So let's confirm it with the power button when it's selected. So there we go, you can see it's labeled Fastboot mode, while the bootloader, Fastboot mode, if I confirm this one, it'll take me to a different one. Now before I do so, let's just quickly talk about a couple options here. So we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Enter recovery, which is the previous page. Reboot to bootloader, Fastboot mode, and power off. So anyway, just to showcase this. Now I know for a fact that this is gonna, there we go, cut out a little bit, but it's visible right here at the very top. You can see it's kind of just cutting out fast boot. But you can see S and T, and then boot. So this is the Fastboot mode that doesn't have any options and, well, looks kind of like this. Now to leave this one though, we're gonna do this a little bit differently. We're just gonna hold power button till the phone turns off. And it does take it like, I don't know, 7 to 10 seconds, something like that. There we go. So when the screen turns off, you can let go of the power button and the device will automatically boot back up on its own. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.